Hi, I am Musayyab. If you are feeling stressed, overwhelmed, and like life is moving too fast, so don't worry, you are not alone. Stress is something we all face in our daily lives, but here's the good news, there are several and science backed ways to help you manage it. So, today I am sharing 5 practical ways to help you find calm in the chaos. Let's get started. The first step is by taking pause and breath. When you feel stressed, overwhelmed, your brain releases cortisol. This is called stress hormone, which puts you in fight or flight mode. Deep breathing helps you activate your parasympathetic nervous system, and you can try this 4-7-8 technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and then exhale for 8 seconds. And repeat this cycle 3 to 4 times. Studies show that deep breathing helps you reduce cortisol, anxiety, and improve your focus. And you can try this with mindfulness meditation. Close your eyes and focus on your breath and let go of distracting thoughts. You can try this 5 minutes. 5 minutes a day can make a huge difference in your life. And second step is identify your triggers. Stress often comes from specific situations, people, or habits. Keeping a stress journal can help you find out what's causing your stress. When you feel stressed, what happened right before, how you reacted physically and emotionally. Over time, you will notice different patterns. For example, you might realize that deadline, a certain relationship, or even lack of sleep are major triggers. Once you know your triggers, you can take steps to address them, whether it's a delegating task, having a tough conversation, or improving your sleep routine. And third step is set boundaries. Many of us struggle with saying no because we don't want to disappoint others. But overcommitting yourself leads to burnout. So how you can do it? Firstly, focus on what's most important and let go of stress, let go of useless people, let go of toxic people, and be honest with your limits. For example, I would love to help, but I am swamped this week, and protect your time. Don't waste your time for useless things, for useless people, to consume useless information. Utilize your time for learn some new. Remember, setting boundaries is not about selfish. It's necessary for your mental health. And fourth step is move your body. Exercise is one of the most effective way to reduce stress. When you work out, your brain releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. It also lowers cortisol and improves your sleep quality. You don't need to spend hours at the gym. You can start small. You can start with 5 to 10 minutes. After having a lunch, breakfast, and dinner, just take walk for 10 minutes. Just start small and build momentum. And fifth step is connect with others. It's the most crucial step. When we're stressed, we often isolate ourselves, but social support is crucial for managing stress. Talking to someone you trust can help you gain perspective, feel understood, and release pent up emotions. Just call a friend or family member and share how you are feeling. And join a community, whether it's a hobby group, online class, or a fitness class, online forum. But being part of a community can help you reduce stress. If stress feels overwhelming, consider talking to a therapist. They can provide tools and strategies to help you reduce stress. Remember, stress is a part of life, but it doesn't have to control your life. Identify your triggers by taking pause and breath, moving your body, setting boundaries, and connecting with others can help you get back. And start small, be kind, be honest with yourself. Thanks for watching this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more life-changing videos. Until the next video, keep learning, keep going. See you in the next video.